at Labadee, Haiti. So beautiful. Oh, I can get a labadoozy today. A labadoozy. Good morning.
That's all you drink that, you going to jail.
RJ, isn't it gorgeous out here?
Yeah.
It's nice and hot, huh? Y'all, it's so hot. RJ was just trying to sneak back up on the ship.
This hat is worth it. Again, Aaron from AK Adventures, thank you.
Y'all, we trying to find how to get to the aqua park. We gotta figure out how to get over there. The park is here. That's pretty. There's our water park, aqua park. With the ship in the background, that's a gorgeous shot. Y'all, this thing is wobbly. Wow.
20 feet over here, and it's 40 feet deep by the icebergs, okay? But you got your jacket on,
Got your jacket. Go ahead, RJ.
Go, baby. I'm waiting on you.
It looks like Ray needed a rescue mission. Y'all, Ray done jumped in case we at all.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. So,
Be careful.
this, you definitely have to be able to at least swim a little bit for this excursion. Oh my God. The lifeguard just had to come and get Ray. RJ is scared to death. I can't decide who I'm supposed to be helping, RJ or Ray. You want to bounce on this, RJ?
There's nowhere to go.
You can bounce up and down on this, a trampoline. Bounce. Yeah, buddy.
I'd rather not bounce because this could break. This could break, Mommy.
I'm gonna try to cross. We'll see. You did it. Good job. Y'all both did it.
Yeah, the key is to stay on your knees and just
Shimmy across.
shimmy across.
All right, let's try. Okay.
It's so much easier on your knees than it is.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh no.
You're going to be on that side.
Nope, I'm coming back.
This side is
We're headed back to the tram and see what else we can find on this island. I think we've had enough of the area we were in already. See what else we can get into.
You want maybe try to
We have a splash pad area for the kids. I'm finally trying one of these labadoozis. And
Is it a doozy?
I'm trying. It's not a doozy. It's not even strong. It tastes watered down, to be honest. So Ray and RJ, tell us about our excursion, the one we had so far. We did the what's it called? Aqua Park. What'd you guys think of it?
RJ, you go first.
amazing. And at the end, I really swam really fast for my life.
What happened was somebody messed around and told RJ it was a jellyfish in that water. So he swam like his life depended on it after that.
Is it my turn now?
It's your turn now.
You see, Ray can't swim. The water in one area of that park is 20 feet deep. I'm only 5'8", 5'8.95", whatever. And the other section is 40 feet deep. Well, I jumped in because you have to jump out. I jumped in to 20 feet, thinking I was grown and excited. Realized that, yeah, I still can't swim that good. And I sucked down probably 14 gallons of salt water, which did not help. And it's crooked.
My bad. Yeah.
And they had to come and rescue me. They gave us an international sign for, I need help, come get me, you see me struggling. So I did that.
Y'all. Our whole group wasn't even in water yet. People was still on the pier. They was looking at. Wait, first RJ wouldn't get in, so he was slowing up the line. Then Ray jump in, and well, you just heard what happened when Ray jumped in.
Yeah, man. Hey, look here. I thought I could do it. I got close to the trampoline, but never made it. It felt like I was swimming and moving in circles. I could never go forward. I don't know what the problem is. I didn't like it. They was like, "You want to go back in?" I was like, "No." I said something else, but on here, I'll say no. They say, "Do you want to sit down?" Absolutely, I do. So I just sat down and enjoyed the sun with my hat on and enjoyed watching my family. As long as my family had fun, that's the main thing. That's all I was worried about. I was embarrassed though. And I did say that this winter, springtime, I'm going to learn to take swim classes and learn to swim like a dolphin. That way, we won't have to have a rescue mission on our next vacation in deep water.
It literally was a rescue mission, y'all.
Tell people.
So that makes the third rescue mission, I believe, on one of our cruises.
2.
No.
On our cruises?
2 on cruises. Third vacation overall. You had a rescue mission with the stingrays.
Oh, they had to rescue. I rescued myself. I got out. It wasn't no need to rescue me. I got out.
You had a rescue mission at Wisconsin Dells, though.
Yeah, it was a rescue mission. It was 11 feet, and I can't swim. Don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't, as you can see. Here we are. But I'm enjoying it. I'm getting my tan. I'm getting my built-in melanin and built-in tan a little bit stronger for the winter. And here we are. Back to you, Stu.
So, few tips if you do the aqua park. We actually did the excursion that includes the aqua park and the coaster. So RJ, can you turn it down, please? So you could do the coaster at your leisure whenever you want to. The aqua park, you have to meet at your assigned meeting time. So we had to meet at 11:30. They got us all suited up, went through all the rules and stuff. We were able to get in the water at 12. Like Ray was saying, the water is deep, so make sure you can at least swim a little bit. You have on a life vest, but you know, if you can't swim, you might panic when you get in the water because you're not ever going to be able to feel the ground. So don't expect that. You're not going to be able to walk in that water. But other than that, it was a really fun excursion. Highly recommended. It was real fun.
Yeah.
And it was cheap. It was like, what, $30 a person, I think?
Yeah. You know what I suggest though? I do suggest that you bring some type of water shoes with you.
Oh yes, a lot of seaweed in the water here.
Yes.
And yeah, on the beach area.
That creeped me out when I got into the beach area. I was walking, I was like, oh my God, what's touching my feet? I didn't get out though. I promise I didn't. Kiki probably, she looked at my face. She's like, what's wrong with you? I was like, nothing. In the back of my mind, I was like, this is so creepy on my feet.
All right.
But it was fun. The beach area is nice. Here, let's show you. This is the beach area where we're at. They have plenty of seating. And if you look just right, you'll be able to get one of these umbrellas like you see. Jesus provided us with 3 more seats under the umbrella again, just like yesterday and a couple days ago.
No, that was a couple days ago.
And that was yesterday too. Well, you're right, RJ, day before yesterday. We'll probably get up here and catch a tram to ride around and see what's going on. We'll also probably go ride the roller coaster soon. And I'm chilling. RJ, tell us about your day. How do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10? Do you feel about the aqua park and the beach itself so far?
10.
10. Would you want to do the aqua park again?
Yeah.
Was the aqua park easy to get to, or was it hard to get to?
Easy.
It was easy to get to. Did you think that having help made it easy, or were you able to do it on your own? Look at me.
Having help was easy.
Having help was easy. Mommy made it easy for you.
Yeah.
What did you think when Daddy had to get rescued? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. The camera's on you.
Because it was 20 feet deep.
But how did that make you feel?
Really sad.
Oh, I'm sorry. But were you okay that you saw Daddy was okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Why you gotta look up at the camera, man? When you're doing interviews at the camera, you gotta look at the camera. Anything else would you like to say?
Nope.
Are you ready to go on the roller coaster?
Yep.
You ready to take the tram to look around some other areas?
Yep.
All right. Say, see you later, people.
See you later.
So you guys, they do have a free breakfast. I'm sorry, they do have a free lunch buffet that comes with, you know, your cruise here at Labadee. I got a cheeseburger, piece of jerk chicken, some rice and beans, some fruit. I got pineapple and cantaloupe, and I got a Caesar salad. I actually got a piece of cake that they do. It's like an Oreo chocolate cupcake. Oh, RJ, you ate your corn. Good job. Corn, burger, and hot dog. Ray got some stuff over here too. Food looks good.
I don't usually eat all these desserts, but I got onions on there. Can you believe it, kid?
Sure do. I can't believe it. No.
And I got lettuce too. You know I like lettuce. I got a hot dog.
Oh,
no. Hot dog, pineapple, macaroon, and cheese bread.
Oh, you gotta let me know how the macaroon tastes. I wanted one, but it looked like it had coconut on it.
It do.
I want no coconut. I'm gonna try this rice and beans. See how that tastes. The rice and beans have a good flavor, but they really dry. Like really, really dry. This burger is real good. All the burgers that I've had have been real good. From like
Baked char grill.
the one thing that we forgot to mention on that first beach that we were at, there's a lot of ants. There's ants crawling on everything.
Can you guys comment below if any guys that are watching this have bald heads and wear straw hats? If you sweat more with the straw hat on or off? Because I feel like I sweat more with that thing on with it off.
So we were told that the best beach is at the very last stop, and that would be this stop. So we're gonna check it out for a little bit before we go get on the coaster. This beach is so beautiful and peaceful. Look at that water, y'all. Look at Ray. We got some people coming on the Zipline, y'all. I'm trying to get that for you. There they are.
Alright guys, we are going on the roller coaster. I know you guys asked for it, especially asked for me to do it. I am going to break down and do it. Here we go. Going to the roller coaster. You got to watch the safety video.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. You can turn around this way and then you're shortly waiting.
We did it. We on Dragon's Tail coaster. We're gonna see how this goes. This is actually our second time on here. The first time we didn't bring the GoPro. The GoPro stopped working, y'all. The GoPro stopped working, so I'm chancing it with my cell phone this time. So you know I love y'all because I'm chancing taking my cell phone on this coaster for y'all. Let me show y'all Ray and RJ. They're in front of me. Oh, look at that view behind me. Can y'all see that? Gorgeous. There's Ray and RJ. Way up there. Y'all. So the thing about this coaster is every time you think you're getting to the top, nope. We've got a little bit of ways to go. It is a long way up. So there's the zip line, folks. Wait till we get around this corner so I can show y'all the view because it is absolutely good. Oh, slow down. We actually have control of yourself. You can speed up and slow down as much as you want. Woo! Woo, slow down. Not too fast. There it is. Best view in the house. So guys, when you come to Labadee, Haiti, do not just get off the tram at the very first beach you see. Go all the way to the end. This is the tip that somebody gave us on the tram. Go all the way to the end.
To Adrenaline
Beach is the best beach that I've seen here. It's a little bit of rocks when you first get into the water that you have to cross over, but after that,
put your shoes on.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
A little bit of seaweed, but that's all over these beaches, it seemed like.
Yeah.
But it's right underneath the zip line, so you get a good view of the people that are zip lining. You get to see the coaster, the cabanas and stuff that are for like the concierge folks and people that reserve the cabanas are back at this beach. So it's just really beautiful. It's less busy, not as many people. The people who are over here is not as many kids. It's just a really relaxed area, and I like it. It's got these like umbrellas, like straw umbrellas in the water. Can y'all see those? So nice. So what do you think of Haiti so far? It's about time to probably close this vlog out.
I like it.
We running out of time. We gotta get back on the ship.
Can't swim, but I like it. Oh, you know what? I saw what I just saw. I had to make a quick trip. We won't go into details, but I had to make a quick trip. And so since it's closer to time for us to get on the ship, the tram waiting area is a little bit fuller.
Oh,
so right now it is 4.
It's 4? No, 3:50.
3:50. My watch is messed up. It's still on.
We got to be back on board at 4:30.
Time, but it's 3:50, and it's pretty full over there. So if you want to try to make sure you get on time and not look like a pier runner, even though you was on time, go ahead and get over there and sit at the tram waiting area.
Yeah.
And be ready. That's all.
So it was an absolutely wonderful day in Labadee. I hope that you guys enjoyed the footage. Well, like I said, I went to great lengths. Look, I broke my nail on that Aqua Park bouncy thing, but I went to great lengths to get y'all footage of that roller coaster, taking my phone on there and not holding on to both the handles like they told me to. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here and watching. We still have another day on board. We got tonight too. We don't know what we're gonna do tonight yet. We'll see. But we also have all day tomorrow on board the ship, and then it'll be time to go. But we're not gonna talk about that because it ain't here yet and we don't want to hear about it. So until next time, which will be on board the Allure of the Seas, we will see you, Team Reese, all day. Yeah.